Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hi buddy, welcome to this video. Geeks for Geeks is conducting a technical scripter event, and through this event you can get an internship opportunity at Geeks for Geeks, and you will also get some cash prize if you come in the top participants. And in addition to these, all the participants will get some goodies and few more exciting prizes. I'll tell you all the details regarding this technical scripter event by Geeks for Geeks. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, or Twitter, Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out and connect with me on social media. So let's get back to the content now. So this technical scripter event is a simple writing task event. So what you have to do is you have to write a technical blog on any topic that is related to computer science, and you have to then submit it. You can write on any topic, literally, like you can write on programming languages, any programming language, or any trending technology. What you have to notice is the topic you choose should be related to computer science. That is the only thing that you should notice here. And anyone can participate in this event by Geeks for Geeks. There are no eligibility criteria and there are no entry fees for this event. And the results will be given out on the basis of public voting, and this technical writing event will be live until 19 January 2021. And here, if you scroll down, they have given some topics on which you can write in. Like you can write on algorithms and data structures, competitive programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, machine learning, data science, big data, and all other topics are listed here. And these are just a sample topics. You need not keep yourself limited to these topics. You can go out of these as well. So what you have to do is you have to write a technical blog. That is as simple as that, on any topic related to computer science. That's the matter. And note that articles on library functions are not accepted under the technical scripter event. So you can't write about library functions in this event. And why you should participate. So if you see the prizes, you will know why you should participate. So the top 50 participants will get an opportunity for the in-office internship at Geeks for Geeks, and all other participants will get goodies plus 500 rupees coupon. That is, and if you get the first prize, you will get 10,000 cash prize, and if you come in the second place, you will get 7,500 cash prize additionally. And for third, fourth, and fifth, and for sixth to 10, they have listed here. You can just see it. And if you scroll down, they have given all the details regarding the prizes. And assured reward is also given to all the participants, and the cash prizes are not applicable for the participants outside India. So if you come in the place of first, second, third, or somewhere between fourth and fifth, you are not eligible to get the cash if you are from outside of India. And how to submit your article. So here comes the main thing. You have to click on the link given here and then choose the option write in technical scripter, and then write your article and submit it. So if you click on this link given here, so let me open in a new tab. So if you click on it, you will be landing on a page something like this. So, and what you have to do is you have to click on technical scripter here, and you can click on register and start writing your article and then submit it. So this is how you need to do it. And if you are confused on what topic you should write on, you can simply go back to this page again. So wait a minute. So let me go back. Here it is. You can click on write on suggested topic here, and it will show you some topics on which you can write in. So then you can select the topic which you want to write, and then you can continue with that particular topic alone. So this is how you need to write your article and submit it for this Geeks for Geeks event. And before writing your article, check out this as well. You can use these guidelines to write the article. They have given here a link. So before you start writing your article, click on it and see what is given in that. And any plagiarisms detected in the article will disqualify you from the event. So basically you can't copy from anyone, or you can't copy from the web. I mean, you can't copy the content from the web or anyone who has already written it. And in case if you have any doubt regarding this event, you can mail them, contribute at geeksforgeeks.org, mail them. They will reply as soon as possible. So this is the content for this video. Geeks for Geeks is conducting a technical writing event through which you can get amazing offers like cash prize goodies and in-office internship opportunity at Geeks for Geeks. So use this opportunity and get benefited from this. So I hope you find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers, and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.
Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.